Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a brand new item here from Madam Glam. It is their new ELIO lamp 2.0. So this one's a little different than the last one. The last lamp, I still use it every single day. I use it for pedicures. It's fantastic because it's got that little handle at the back. I can hold it over the foot. I love it. I use it all the time. It works great. I use it for all of my swatch videos and I just love it. It's a great lamp. So this is their updated version of that. So we're gonna check it out, look at what's new, and just see how we like it. I need to do my nails, so I'm going to use it to do my nails. They are quite rough. Had to do a little repair here. I broke my fingernail on the car door, so ouch. So I'm going to do a repair on that, and I'm going to, I don't know, pick a pretty color and paint them nice. So, inside of the lamp is the cord. Here is the instruction manual. Let's see. There's your cord. I always like to write on my cords what it's for because I tend to unplug things and put them away and forget what cord goes to what. So I will do that. I have that on my other Madam Glam lamp. Here she is. The handle, this lamp, by the way, first thing I noticed, it's super heavy. It's a very heavy duty little unit here. The handle on it is in the front and the other one is in the back. I might actually go grab my other one so we can kind of compare because this is the updated version of it. And I shortened my nails and now I can't seem to do anything. Okay. So it's very heavy, it's very large. I saw a post saying that you could use it to do both your hands at the same time. I definitely would not do that. It's not quite that large. And I definitely would never let my clients stick two hands in the lamp at once because that would be a disaster. Of course, the bottom comes off so you can use it for pedicures and whatnot. It might be a little bit harder to hold with the handle being in the front. I'm not sure how much I love that, but in the back you have your on and off switch and your plug-in port there for your power. Then you have your 10-second, 30-second, 60-second setting, and a 90-second setting. I don't know if that's a low heat mode setting or not. We're gonna look at the instructions here and see. And there's another feature with this lamp that I saw, but I'm not exactly sure the point of it. But it has these little kickouts here where you pop these out and the lamp sits up more. Maybe that's for pedicures, I'm not sure. But like I said, let's look at this little book and see what all's going on here. Okay, so first thing I noticed, yes, the 90-second setting is a low heat mode button. I don't believe the last lamp had that. Here are all your specifications for your wattage and whatnot, your wavelength and all of that. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so I read through the whole thing. It doesn't really say a whole lot about how to use it or what some of the specifications are on it as far as what the website says. The website says you can cure both hands at the same time. Like I said, I wouldn't do that. And the little kickouts, they are for pedicures, so it's easier to get your foot in there. So I went ahead and plugged it in. Let me just move my camera around. It is set on the 60-second settings here. And then it has a sensor. So when you go in, it will just automatically kick on, or you can just push that 60 seconds and it will kick on. And when you pull your hand out, it will stay on. You can use it either way. It's really nice. Having the little stands kicked out is also nice because it does give you a little bit more room to work with. And then, of course, it's humongous. Here is the old one. I guess they're not too much different in size. This one is a little bit bigger, the newer one, and it's definitely heavier. This one's a little bit more lightweight, and like I said, the handle is in the back of it, so when I'm doing pedicures I usually use it like this and I just hold it over the foot because I don't really have anywhere to set a lamp to do pedicures, so that one will probably remain my pedicure lamp. But look at how many bulbs are in this baby. There's so many. So I'm going to remove the blue film off of this, hook it back up normal, and we're going to put some polish on these thingies. Okay, so you for sure cannot use the little kickstand feature if you have the metal plate on the bottom. That metal plate is great for like reflection because it's all silver in there. So you can really get a good cure, and it's nice and warm. It feels very, very powerful. So yeah, nice little lamp. Let's see how well it cures. Okay, so I'm going to set this on the low heat mode and go in because I just put a building layer on my nail. Ooh, and it's so hot where I broke it. So it's cracked all the way across, way down in the meat. The low heat mode gradually increases the power of the lamp as the time goes on. So it's supposed to help prevent like the heat spike. I knew I was gonna get a heat spike on this finger either way because of where I broke it, and it hurts really bad. So we're fixing that, and then we will do some kind of a design. So when you're using gel polish, you definitely want to use a base coat first on your natural nails. If you have another coating on your nails already, such as a gel overlay, which is what I have, I'm wearing the Fusion Fortify by Fusion on my nails already. That is already my base. So you do not have to put a base coat down before you go in with your gel polish unless it's on your natural nail and there's no coating on whatsoever. That color needs something to stick to other than just your natural nail. So you have to have some kind of a base down. But if you have like an acrylic on your nails, or you have any kind of gel overlay on your nails, a builder gel, a rubber base, anything like that, you do not have to go in with your clear base coat before you do your color. I get a lot of questions on that, so I just wanted to clarify for anybody who may be new or wanted to know. So that is already on my nails, so I do not need to do a base coat. I'm going to go in straight with some kind of color. Trying to pick a color for my nails is probably the hardest thing to do, but I think I'm going to use this Super Cat Eye. It's like a silver. It's really pretty, and then I'm going to do some chrome over it. So I have some Raya chrome here, unicorn number 6 and unicorn number 8. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I think it might look cool. So let's play with it. Why not? This Super Cat Eye is so cool. If you put it over black, it really, really pops. But you can do it over any color or just on its own and then put color over top of it. It's really fun to layer jellies over it. So I'm going to pull it with a magnet here in just a second. I think I'm just going to demo this one nail for you because it's so hard to see what I'm doing with the phone right in my face. Such a pretty silver on its own. And then grab my magnet here. And then you take the magnet and you just start playing with it. And oh my goodness, look at that. There are so many different ways that you can pull these magnetic polishes to get the effect you want. I like this kind of effect where it like pulls it to the top and it looks very 3D depending on how you move it versus like the traditional center cat eye pull. So I am happy with that. I'm going to set that on the 60-second setting and let that cure. And then we'll take the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat. Let me tell you what, guys, the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat is still by far my favorite top coat. I tried a bunch of top coats. We're going to do a video. Me and Amanda are going to do a video with Battle of the Top Coats. We've got a couple that we really love, like the Koopa top coat is really super shiny. It's wonderful, but it separates over stamping. Madam Glam is shiny. It doesn't have a weird rubbery feel to it when it comes out of the light. It doesn't separate over stamping. It's literally good to the last drop in the bottom of the bottle. I've never had an issue with it. It stays shiny. It's by far the best, but we are going to put them to the test. So we've got, I think, 10 top coats that we're going to test up against each other. We're going to test it for wearability, like shininess, the feel of it, how we like it, all of that. So it's going to be a really fun video, but day to day still, this is what I reach for. So I love it. And chrome rubs into this really good. We're going to test the top coats for the chrome as well. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get notified when they are posted. It'll be a really fun video. It's gonna be time consuming. We're gonna have to start it and then, you know, do the wear tests on the polishes and then come back to the video. So it's gonna be like, it's gonna take us a couple weeks to film it, but it's coming. Okay, so now I'm changing the setting to 30 seconds for the top coat. Top coat should cure for 60, but when you want to rub chrome in, I always do like a half cure, so 30 seconds. And I'm not sure which one of these I want to use. I always gravitate towards this one because it's got a purple look to it. This one's really cool too because it's like a orangey green, tealy look. I don't even know, but maybe we'll do a little bit of both. I'm not prepared. I like to rub the chrome in as soon as the nail comes out of the light because it's nice and warm and it helps the chrome rub in. But these Raya Chromes and the Madam Glam top coat work so good that even after it cools, it still works. Maybe we'll just do like a little half and half. I don't know. So here is the number 6. Oh, that looks so cool. Look at that. And here is the number 8. Ooh, I like that too. I like that. We'll just ombre it half and half. So we got, look at how cool that looks. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. That looks so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna do all of my nails like that and come back and show you the finished look and give you my final thoughts on the new lamp. Okay, and they're all done. Look at those. They look so cool. I love them. So the lamp works fantastic. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. It's a nice unit. I think this would be great for everyday use for techs having multiple clients. It's fantastic. It's got a lot of room in it. Again, I would only put one hand in it, not two. Nice and roomy, very bright, tons of lights. I have no curing issues with this whatsoever. No complaints at all. It's a great unit. So thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending over this lamp. I will continue to use this throughout the weeks to come. So if you guys want to update on it, let me know in the comments below, and I will update you on it in a few weeks and let you know if I'm still loving it, how it's working. I'm sure it's going to be fine though. So that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.